Guys, we're back, and this is like the third video of the day. Dun 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 of the day. We're gonna end this one short, just like one of our other videos, because we've only got 5 minutes 23 seconds. So we're gonna have to do what we have to do quick. So what we're gonna be doing is a little game of cat and mouse.
What's that?
It's basically just tag, but except called cat and mouse. So I'm it, because I'm the cameraman. So Kalel, playing cat and mouse? Play cat and mouse. We're playing cat and mouse. It's tag. It's basically just tag.
Yeah, but instead it's just called Nathan.
Okay, we're doing a video. You want to play cat and mouse because it's basically just tag.
I think you're making that.
Already got 10 seconds. 10. Run. 9. We're playing cat and mouse. Run. 8. 7. 6. 5. I'm not touching the little kid because she can't hear my camera. 5. 4. 3. I wish you guys could see that fail. 2. 1. Cat's coming out. I'm a ninja. Please tell me you guys see it. Alright guys, we're just gonna do some epic nature parkour right up that singing hill. Here we go. Alright guys. Hi, Mousy! That's so fair. Oh, guys. Oh, God. More parkour. There's a cat. We're gonna go that way. We're gonna go that way, guys. Those are. There he is. Oh guys, I'm fat. I'm fat and old. No, I'm kidding. You should, because if I tagged you, you got to be the cameraman. Nate. Yay. Nate. Watch. Okay. I was about to be a mother.
It's all wet.
Come on. What? Come on. Put it right here. Hold it. Don't put it down. Hold it.
I already called dibs on this. What did you say? I said I already called dibs on this. Not that. Come here.
Hey, what is that? That's yolk. The baby bird's not gonna hatch. Another mama.
You point?
What's up? Is she mama? It doesn't look like it.
Boogie.
Let's check. See if she is.
Boogie.
Egg scratch right there.
Boogie, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Don't crack your egg.
I did it. What?
That's not true.
Something you do.
Oh, it smells.
The yolk's already down. Let's check it. Actually,
I'm gonna show you.
oh. It's sticky. So basically, the yolk might turn into an actual
Let me show you
egg.
a trick I did.
Huh?
Look, watch.
If you're not, you better not cross it right on. Got it? I want to know if it's in there. I want to know if the yolk's actually going to fall out. Let's see.
What?
Flossie,
Did you actually cook those eggs?
No, Angel gave them to us.
Yeah.
Really? She's ugly. I don't mean you, Bucky. Okay, so who's... I don't know if it's alive or dead.
Well, let me see it. I can tell.
Do not smash it, literally. It's dead. No, it's not. I doubt it. All I do is
Just
pull up
peel
the
the
shell.
sides really carefully.
Should we? No.
dead.
No.
Yes.
Guys, oh,
He's dead.
guys.
Yeah.
No, they're I'll only peel off the skin like that. It'll
People
go
on
home.
YouTube, if you think I'm being a jerk.
Oh, where we got these eggs was from a freezer.
What?
Please subscribe.